Welcome to NC7 Parkham. Speak English naturally, without thinking. Just listen, repeat, and let it flow.
Excuse me, where's the bread?
Oh, the bread is over there in aisle 3.
Aisle 3? Thank you so much.
Wait, are you looking for anything else?
Maybe some milk?
Yes, the milk is right next to the bread in the fridge.
Perfect. You saved my trip. Thanks again.
No problem. Happy shopping.
Here's another fun little dialogue about the same topic. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, Ben, what a coincidence. I didn't expect to run into you here.
Hey, Anna. You too. Look at your cart. It's overflowing. Big shopping trip?
Yeah, I'm trying to stock up for the week. And I'm planning to bake a cake, so lots of extra ingredients.
A cake? Nice. Oh, just a heads up. The organic milk is on sale in aisle 5. You might want to grab some. It's a good deal.
Really? Oh, I just picked up a carton from aisle 2. I guess I'll have to go back then. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Happens to me all the time. Are you looking for anything else specific or just wandering?
Just wandering now, trying to remember if I forgot anything crucial. This place always gets me.
I hear you. Well, I'm off to the checkout. Hope you find everything you need.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice speaking.